guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I've posted a hair related video, but here we are today. We are so back and I'm excited. In today's video I'll be sharing my hair routine, so let's go and get started. Wait, before we actually get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and my new TikTok. I made this one specifically for hair content, so if that's what you're into, and I'm assuming you are, follow me on there as well. So now we're getting started for real. I'm starting on freshly washed and conditioned hair, and first thing I did was section off my hair into smaller parts, and I'm starting in the back first, working my way up to the front. I actually recorded a TikTok while filming this video as well, so I already did the first section as you can see. But here we are working on the next one, and first thing I did was spray my hair with some water since it already started drying before I could get into it. Now I like working in pretty small sections just so I can properly work the product into my hair. I feel like this way works best for me, so yeah, sections. Today's hair product is the Doux Mousse Def, and this is one of my favorite hair products ever. It always does the job, never fails. So I use 2 to 3 pumps per section, and that was enough. Then I just really worked it into my hair, and I actually take my time with this. I like to use my fingers as a comb to work the product into my hair, and just by applying the product into my hair I can already see the curls form and clump together without using a brush or actual comb. And this is how I know my hair takes the product in well. So after working the product into my hair, I take even smaller sections and I go in with my Denman brush just for some extra defined curls. I also make some finger coils just here and there, you know, just to create some extra juicy looking curls for the vibes. So that's what I do throughout the entire section until I finish. Now a little scrunch action just to finish it off, and this is the way I'm gonna proceed to do my hair. So enjoy watching. Now I don't know what's going on at this point. It's looking like a dance break, so yeah. Keep watching and I will be back in a minute when it's time to blow dry.
For the truth, come put both hands on a DJ booth, then wind your waist to the big man sound. And I get too stiff cause the thing's too round. Good God, make me lift up your gown, but your face so sweet, wanna spin you around. If I go link gang, I'll bring you around. If I go to the bar, I'll bring you around. Which one? Which one? You're not like the things you're around. You're a real good girl, so I'm ringing you down. But come to the bed, I'll fling you around. What? These guys can't make songs for the gal, them. Trust me, this how the single should sound. Fuck anyone that's bringing you down. Sweetheart, you're doing your thing right now. Good God. Yeah, all the girls that's here for the truth, come put 2 hands on a DJ boot, then wind your waist on a real good youth, then you want Sancho, your ex, which one? You want friends of success, which one? Tell the sound man, spin this one. Play this for the gal, them party done.
God forbid a girl's tryna have fun. I got X if you wanna take drugs. Do you wanna have sex or do you wanna make love? Which one, which one, which one, which one? Got a fairy ting and I got a which one? A G'd up ting that I bring sticks round, and I got a good girl, snitch one. Too many gal, now I gotta switch one. Turn the hotel to a 20 V1. 360, my head got spun. Junk in the trunk, can see it from front. Got your body is T, it's pain, I'm sprung. Your backside weighing you down 1 ton. I got a chopstick for your 1 ton. Tell me what you want, what you really, really want. Put a coin in a slot, you just hit jackpot.
Yeah, all the girls that's here for the truth, come put 2 hands on a DJ boot, then wind your waist for the 6-side you, then hey, you want Sancho, your ex, which one? You want friends of success, which one? Tell the sound man, spin this one. Play this for the gal, them party done.
comes to blow drying, I use my diffuser, and first I focus on making sure my roots are dry, since that's the part that takes the longest. So I just like hover with my diffuser above my hair, not really hitting the ends of my hair yet, but the air is pointed at my roots. And when my hair gets to 70 to 80% dry, I move on to drying the mids and ends of my hair as well as my roots. Now after doing that for a minute or so, I take the diffuser off and just go in straight like that and dry my hair until it's 100% dry. Now at this point my hair is completely dry and it's time to create some volume. It already looks good, to be honest, but I'm just extra and I like big hair, so my hair routine isn't complete without using my pick. And that's basically my hair routine. The mousse I used is so good. I already said this is one of my favorite products because I'm always left with juicy, shiny, moisturized and lightweight curls. So if you haven't tried it yourself, I would definitely recommend trying it out and see for yourself if it works. And with that, we've come to the end of this video, so I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe before you go, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.
Ven, yo te trato fino como antes. También estás prendida, no vale. Apaga el Billy pa' que